fast, cost-effective, and a game-changer for batch production of complex metal parts. BJ Binder Jetting delivers 1. Support-free data processing. Designed with support-free structures and directly complete slicing parameter settings to simplify processes and avoid support residue issues. 2. Green body printing. The BJ system sprays binder precisely to bond metal ceramic powder layer by layer, efficiently forming the green body. 3. Offline unpacking and powder cleaning. Remove the printed green body and clean loose surface powder with high-pressure air to preserve structural integrity. 4. Precision green body. Post-processing. Professionally repair and trim the green body to optimize density uniformity, laying the groundwork for high-temperature sintering. 5. High-temperature densification sintering. Sinter the green body in a high-temperature furnace per the preset heating curve to form high-density, high-strength metal ceramic parts. 6. Sandblasting cleaning. Remove sintering residues and impurities via sandblasting to achieve a clean, uniform surface. 7. Quality check and shipment. Rigorously test part density, mechanical properties, and appearance. Qualified products are warehoused for shipment.